Hey there, and welcome to the show. I'm so glad you're here with me today on another episode of Everyday Strength, the podcast that helps you stay strong, steady, and independent any age. Let me ask you something. Have you noticed your legs getting weaker lately? Maybe it's harder to stand up from a chair. Maybe climbing stairs feels like lifting weights. Or sometimes just walking across the living room throws you off balance. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But more importantly, it's not just getting old. What if I told you that these early signs of leg weakness could be reversed quickly? Not with pills or physical therapy, not with a complicated workout plan, but with just 3 essential vitamins your body needs more of after 60 times. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through each of these vitamins, what they do, how they work, and how to use them safely. And I'll also share real-life stories of seniors who got their strength and their confidence back. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive in. The real reason our legs get weaker after high to weaker. Let's clear something up right away. Muscle loss isn't just part of getting older. It's not inevitable, and it's not untreatable. Most people don't realize this, but after age 60, we start losing 1 to 3% of our muscle mass every single year. That means in just 5 years, you could lose up to 15% of your leg strength without even noticing, until the stairs start looking like mountains. So what's causing this? 3 main things. Vitamin deficiencies. Our bodies stop absorbing nutrients like they used to. Poor circulation blood flow slows down, starving our muscles of oxygen and nutrients. Less movement. And when we move less, our muscles shrink even faster. Now, here's the good news. You can regain leg strength. In some cases, within days. And the key, it's not complicated. It comes down to 3 vitamins. Vitamin D3, B12, and B1D. Let's start with the one most people are missing without even realizing it. Patatar, vitamin D2's switch that turns everything back on. Vitamin D3 isn't just about bones. It's the master switch for your muscles, nerves, and energy. Think of it like turning the lights back on in a house that's been slowly dimming. Harris, what happens when you don't have enough D3? Your muscles don't contract properly. You feel tired, heavy, sluggish. Your balance gets shaky. You start to lose strength quietly, gradually. After 60, it becomes harder to make vitamin D naturally because your skin doesn't convert sunlight as efficiently. You spend less time outdoors. Your liver and kidneys don't process it as well. You know what's wild? One study from the UK found that seniors who took just 800 IU of D3 per day for a few days increased their leg strength by nearly 20%. And Therese, what one woman shared with me, I didn't realize how much I'd been slowing down until I got my D3 levels back up. I felt lighter, more in control. I even caught myself walking up the stairs without holding the rail. If that sounds amazing, it is, and it's very real. Here's how to take it. Aiming for 800 to 2,000 IU per day. Ideally in the morning. Always take it with a meal that has healthy fat like eggs, avocado, or salmon. Avoid taking it late in the day, can actually disrupt your sleep. Most people can't get enough D3 from food alone. If you're over 60, spend little time in the sun or have weak legs or joint pain supplements are your best bet. But remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Stick to the recommended dose unless your doctor says otherwise. Pate, vitamin B at vitamin B3 and reconnecting your brain to your reeks. Let's talk about B12. Most people think of it as the energy vitamin, too, that's true. But what it really does is help your brain and your muscles communicate. It keeps your nervous system sharp and your movements coordinated. When you're low on B1-2, the connection gets fuzzy. You may feel numbness or tingling in your feet, legs that feel weak or asleep, trouble keeping your balance, a little foggy or forgetful, maybe even depressed or anxious. Sound familiar? As the kicker, BASD. Deficiency is incredibly common in people over 60. Why? Because your stomach stops absorbing it efficiently, especially if you take acid blockers or metformin, eat less meat or animal products, have digestive issues like IBS or gastritis. A study from Oxford showed that low B1-2 levels more than doubled the risk of falls in seniors. And another clinical trial found that just 1,000 mcg of B1-2 per day for 8 weeks dramatically improved balance, leg strength, and mental clarity. My neighbor, Joe, who's 72, told me this. I thought I was just clumsy. I was dropping things, tripping over nothing. Turns out I was B1-2 deficient. After 3 weeks on the supplement, it felt like my legs remembered what they were supposed to do. B1-2 is best taken in the morning or at lunch, as methylcobalamin, which your body can use immediately in lozenge or sublingual format, absorbs better under the tongue. And don't worry, B, ODS, batter, soluble. That means your body flushes out any extra part, vitamin B, fuel for your muscles. Vitamin B, astosol, known as Thiamine, unsung hero of muscle energy. If vitamin D3 is the switch and B1-2 is the signal wire, B1 is the gas pedal, your muscles can't create energy without it. When you're low on B1, you might notice leg fatigue even after light activity, cramping in your feet or calves, a dragging, heavy feeling in your legs, dizziness or shortness of breath when going upstairs, lack of motivation to move at all. One woman in my community walking group once said, I felt like I was walking through water, just pushing and dragging my own legs. She started supplementing with Just 100 milligrams a day, and within 5 days, she told us it was like someone took the brakes off. I could walk again without dreading it more. A study in Japan found that over 30% of seniors had low B1 levels, and they all moved more slowly and had weaker legs. Here's how to get it. Aim for 1.1 milligrams women or 1.2 milligrams men from food, or use a low-dose supplement daily. Take it in the morning, not with alcohol or caffeine. Best with food, especially whole grains or legumes. Foods that help include brown rice, beans, sunflower seeds, pork, and liver. But let's be honest, not many of us are eating those every day. Quartetto, how to combine all vitamins for the best results. Now, breaths bring it all together. Has a simple daily routine you can follow to support your legs and your independence. Morning with breakfast, 1 capsule, vitamin D3 1000 IU, 1 tablet vitamin B 150, 100 milligrams. Breakfast with some fat like avocado toast, eggs, or yogurt. Lunch or midday. 1 lozenge vitamin B, 501,000 mcg, under the tongue. Drink plenty of water. Stay lightly, active short walks, light stretches. Track how you feel over 1-2 weeks. Many people report more energy within 3 days, stronger legs in 7-10 days, better balance and confidence within 3-4 weeks. And if you're taking medications or perhaps kidney or liver, is this talk to your doctor. First start with smart. Para diet, final thoughts, strong diet. Para my strong diet. Strong diet. Hairs, but I want you to remember today, getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. Your body is still capable of healing, rebuilding, and getting stronger with the right support. Vitamin D3, B12, and B1 are simple, affordable, and powerful tools to help you move better, feel better, and stay independent. Because being able to walk without fear, to get up from your chair confidently, to take that evening walk with your grandkids, that's not a luxury, that's your right. So I encourage you to start today, have your levels checked, talk to your doctor, treat the routine for a week, and see what changes. And if this episode helped you, please share it with someone you love. You never know who needs to hear this message. Thank you for being here with me today on Everyday Strength. I'm Dr. Morgan, and I believe you're stronger than you think. Until next time, stay moving and stay you.